Hello racers, my name is JC, I'm from SOKU Racing, and today I have a very interesting car for me to do a review on. This is my buddy and also my tuner's Wira 4G15 both on turbo. Okay, this video is meant to be a very quick video that I do not need to edit, so that you guys can watch this video first before I edit my other videos. It's been quite long since I posted a video, so today we're gonna do a review, not review lah, walkthrough on my tuner's 4G15 bolt on turbo. Okay, he is away for work now, and I've been using his car for quite some time because mine is broken. Okay, my gearbox is sudah pecah. Then I got no car. Then I'm using his car. This is a very stock looking Wira with a stock 4G15 engine that sounds like a Subaru. It is in no way fast, but it's very interesting. So here you can see the stock 4G15. Okay, it's stock block, stock internals, and he did this turbo kit himself. The turbo is mounted right over here. It's mounted in the back, which explains all the intercooler piping and open port piping and blah blah blah. And the most interesting part about this car is that it sounds like a Subaru. Isn't it interesting? It's a stock block. Okay, as you can see, his piston ring is almost gone now. Stock internals. Currently, it's running 1.3 bars of boost on a TD04L turbo. Here's his gauges, the Grady Cyrus, and his air-fuel ratio. And in general, this is just a very interesting DIY built by himself car. He is using AD08Rs, mine of course, on his front tires, because might as well, right? My car isn't running. And you can see the intercooler over here. Inlet and outlet are on the same side. I think it's intercooler meant for the K series. Oh my god, so many smoke. Okay, let's let the car warm up a little before we go for a run. Everything is very stock, very interesting. Customers coming to my shop always ask me, JC, why does your Wira sounds like a Subaru, a V6, a V8? They always ask me this question. So actually what he has done is he actually custom made the extractors to become unequal extractor, just like the Subaru. So one of it's 4 pistons, and then comes out to two, and then joins into a 1. So actually one of these is longer than the other, so it makes the Subaru rumble. Isn't it interesting? Stock block, 1.3 bars of boost. He is also using the same ECU as I am using. It's a standalone, and this is the crackle switch, and this is the flat shift switch. The flat shift allows you to change your gears without letting off your gas. And oh fuck, okay, it happens sometimes. Yeah, okay, my Tauchu boy is gonna hold a camera for me. Very sleeper car. Let's go for a joyride. Again, it is in no way quick or fast, but it's very interesting. Hello, one way lah, oi. It has launch control and all those other functions, and with the standalone, he actually has 2 maps. You can choose between 2 maps. Okay, let's do it without the flat shift. that this is a stop block. It's quite quick, in my opinion lah. Okay, I'm going way too fast, way too fast. Way too fast, way too fast. It drives very much like a Subaru with the rumble and everything, but just that it's in the Wira's body. Interesting, ain't it? Okay, now let's do it with the flat shift. Okay, you can notice that I will not be letting off the gas. This is the flat shift. So while my Hy-Vee is broken, I'm gonna be using this car as a daily, and I'm sure, I hope this car isn't gonna burst. Okay, you see all the meter to break out already. Oops. I own an accessory shop here in JB, Malaysia, if you didn't know. My shop is SOKU Racing. We are located in Taman Peling, JB, and we sell all kinds of funky stuff: intercooler, radiators, Semgo hose, gauges, ECU, aftermarket steering wheel, seats. Yeah, we're just very racing orientated accessory shop lah. We do less of audio and lighting and stuff like that, and we focus more on the racy stuff. Seats, gear knobs and stuff like that. Okay, here our boy will zoom in to show you the boost. Okay, this is our Cyrus gauge. It's very accurate and very responsive because of the electronic sensors it uses. Boost! Okay. Yang penting aircon masih sejuk, babe. Stock seats. Heck of a car. Start to feel the G in the end of second gear or third gear, because that is when the car starts pulling. Another thing I would like to mention is the blow off. Blow off is so nice. Just listen. This guy is responsible for tuning my car and many aspects of my car. Okay, so we are in the B road in Taman Peling. Let's try launch control. Boost. Looks like everything is dropping out. That is a flat shift. Let's do the flat shift again. That's all. This is meant to serve as a quick video you guys can watch before I do my major edit on the other videos I am currently editing, because I feel like it's been too long since I uploaded my previous video. So that's it, and I'm heading back to my shop now to sambung my kerja. And if you guys wanna buy anything from me, you can click the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, website link. All links will be in the description below. We call this car the Wira Baru, by the way, because it's a Wira and a Subaru. Okay, I hope to do more interesting videos like this, and thank you for watching. Bye.